everyone, we're back here again with Mike Lesmeister with CMG Financial. What he's going to talk about with us today is about the most popular packages in terms of home buying and the mortgage that y'all are expected to get and what qualifies y'all between like FHA, the VAs and conventional loans with y'all today. Mike?
So for first-time home buyers, I guess, Stephanie, the three loans that represent the majority of the financing provided to first-time home buyers would be FHA loans, VA loans, and then USDA loans, because those are the three that really allow a borrower to get into a home with as little out of pocket as possible. And your person who's on their first job or maybe has a young family may not have all the resources to be able to obtain a conventional loan. So I guess the first one would be an FHA loan, which is really the largest government home loan program out there. It allows.
For those that don't know, what does FHA stand for?
FHA means Federal Housing Administration, and really all that means, the only difference is that there's a guarantee on that loan provided by the government, provided by FHA to the lender in the event of default. Okay? With a conventional loan, you have mortgage insurance that's provided from private mortgage insurers. In the case of an FHA loan, that's just provided by the government. So because the government's providing that guarantee, you can get into it with as little as 3.5% down. Loan amounts in excess these days of over $300,000. They're also more flexible in terms of underwriting, so you may not have to have the same credit score that you would have to obtain a conventional loan, may not have to have the same assets in the bank, and they're also flexible in terms of allowing the builder or seller to be able to cover some of your closing costs for you. So that would be an FHA loan.
Got it.
Secondly, for veterans out there, we also have VA loans, and that is one of the few true zero money down loans out there. And that would allow a veteran to get in with no money down, veterans and active military for that matter. And also is very flexible in terms of their underwriting and the allowance for the builder or seller to provide seller contributions to cover closing costs. And there is no mortgage insurance on a VA loan as well, so it makes that monthly payment.
So all the loans, VA loans is probably the best loan you can get. If you're military.
Yeah, absolutely. If you're military and you, I would definitely say that VA is definitely going to be the best financing for you. Yeah.
And then, but if you're not a VA, if you're not in the military branch, you'd probably be the best with FHA loan. Right?
FHA, the third one that I would probably introduce to would be a USDA loan. That would be for somebody that is looking to purchase in a rural area, so outside of kind of a metro area, and there are very specific location requirements about where the property has to be and income requirements as well. But that also is a no money down program that can be available.
No money down.
Yeah, no money down.
USDA loan.
Yeah.
But only Mike can help you guys know which locations can verify and qualify for USDA loan.
Yep,
right?
we can certainly help with that. Yep.
Got it. Well, is there anything else that we need to know about these loans?
No, I think that covers.
What kind of documents do they need?
Oh, so for documentation, generally the documentation for any type of mortgage application is going to be the same.
Okay.
We're going to be looking for last 30 days pay stubs, last couple of years tax returns, W-2s,
So
1099s.
2 years?
Usually 2 years is what we're going to be looking for, along with W-2s and 1099s. We're also going to be looking for asset verification, so generally last 2 months bank or asset statements.
Right.
And then, of course, identification. And there are always going to be some other things based upon your circumstance, so that's why we want to talk to them on the front end.
Yes.
That covers most of it.
If you have any questions, y'all need to call Mike or contact myself. Mike, you want to throw out your number?
Yep, absolutely. My number, 832-286-1601. Once again, 832-286-1601. And you can also send me an email going to mike@houstonmortgagepros.com.
Nice. And that's plural. Pros with
Yes,
S.
pros, P-R-O-S.
All right. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you have a great day.